I'm Casey Benefield.
Ethan Brown.
And Nathan Barkley. First, we take your quarter.
Select your product. Press the buttons. And your product's spent.
And now to show you the inner workings of the quarter drop system. First, you insert your quarter, pressing a switch. As soon as you choose what candy you want, it moves and allows the quarter to drop in the collection pan.
Alright, our vending machine runs off a 6-volt battery. To illustrate the point, we put the vending machine in the middle of a field. And look, here comes our first customer.
Hey, look, a vending machine. Let's get something.
And that, my friend, is how you make $1.